Most of the killing in Imo State and kidnapping were as the Dokubo boys and Ebubagan. And Ebubagan. And I thank God these people were caught. If they were not caught, all said and done, they will target IPOB, ESN, Simon Ekpa boys. I am Mr. Paradeni Okokonde. You said Dokubo, Gumi, kidnapping in Imo State. They called them, they mentioned Dokubo. Really, I watched the video, I think from PT's News. The people that they caught or they kidnapped, all of them were Igbos, Biafrans. And they were rescued by grace of God. And I overseen someone tied by the hand, lying down shouting. And I heard the voice, background voice, that shouting, they are Asaridokubo boys. They are Asaridokubo boys. One thing I want you to know, most of the killing in Imo State and kidnapping were Asaridokubo boys and Ebubagan. And Ebubagan. And I thank God these people were caught. If they were not caught, all said and done, they will target IPOB, ESN, Simon Ekpa boys, unknown gunmen, to label Biafran cause as a criminal cause. They will say this. But thank God they have caught these people. Now there is no more unknown gunmen. People they have known now. They are no more ESN. They have known them now as Dokubo Kidnappers Squad. No more IPOB. No more Simon Ekpa men. Now they are Dokubo men. But whether you caught Dokubo himself in the operation, you caught Dokubo red-handed in the operation, still he will go free. Unless you caught him and pass jungle judgment immediately. Otherwise, Uzodinma and the people he's working for will come and rescue him. If those people that they accuse that they are Dokubo men, I'm telling you honestly, if you hand them over to police or to appropriate agents to take care, they will be set free because they have Godfather. If they are really Dokubo boys, they have their Godfather, and their Godfather that sponsor them, buy gun for them, paying them, will come and do what? Deliver them. And you say Gumi Asaridokubo. Gumi and Asaridokubo are the same thing. They are working for government. And the government they are working for cannot persecute them unless when the government are fed up with them. When the government have finished them up, nothing remain, then they will become a use rag, use and dump. By that time, government may lay one allegation against them and to cut them and finish them up in detention. They will languish and perish in detention. You know, if you come to Nigeria, Gumi is untouchable. Then if you can be able to arrest Gumi, then you can be able to arrest Asaridokubo. But if you are not able to arrest Gumi, you cannot be able to arrest Asaridokubo because two of them are government agents. You understand? Have you seen where Asaridokubo is boasting what he will do and what he will not do? Telling us that telling the whole world that without him, there will be no security in North. From Abuja to Kaduna Railway, there will be no security. Don't you see him when he went and visit Mr. President? Is it not in the him and Mr. President shake hand to hand? Mr. President give him executive seat as if Asaridokubo is one world power nation. Their president to come to Asari. He sit down there boasting, yabbing Simon Ekpa, yabbing nnamdikanu, accusing the Igbos, abusing everybody. And what happened? Nothing happened. Have you seen how many times he tackled Mr. President Tulumbu? What happened? Nothing happened because he's their agent. But thank God, those brethren were rescued. It's just like Daniel rescued from the dens of lion. They were rescued. But the only thing, they did not show the face of the kidnappers. Or make the, although critics may cut it off. If critics may not cut it off, you may see the face of kidnappers and they hear their own version and know where they come from. But they may be as the Dokubo boys. And as the Dokubo boys can be Igbo indigenous. It can be Igbo indigenous, not only from rivers. It can be Imo State indigenous. Because of money. Uzodinma is there, dishing money for them. It can be. Because where they are calling the names, the roots, they are taking them to pass. One indigenous people from that area may be among them to direct them way. Because not what you can come from rivers and know the actual ways to cut off. You understand what I'm saying? Somebody, inner person may be among them, among the kidnappers.
But it's not time that someone like Uzodinma, if he truly loves his people, you know, people like this and guys that are caught now, it's not high time, you know, they deal with them, they use them as sample to others, you know, kidnapping and killing innocent people.
You say if Uzodinma really love his people, he has said it, he don't love his people. If he love people, he will not bring IDP camp against his people. If he love his people, he cannot give marching order because he, as of now, he is the chief security of Imo State. He will not be giving marching order to security agent to be killing people anyhow. He will not have formed a Bubago to be killing his people anyhow. Although I don't think that Uzodinma purely have Igbo blood. Maybe his ancestors may have connection with the Fulani. That's why he's behaving like that. His ancestors may have connection because you know in olden days people can migrate any place and settle that place.
Well, this thing maybe he's looking at the federal, you know, parastatal after he, you know, stepped down as governor of Imo State.
No, that one is sure. That one is sure. Don't you see? Not to Wike, not to me Amechi. When he fought Odili, tooth and nail. From PDP, he became to APC. Don't you see, after 8 years handover, they have further appointment. Minister of Building Railway. After that, how many railway and transport? Okay, rivers have sea. How many ferries you give to rivers as a means of transport? How many ferries you give to rivers? How many roads he built to rivers? How many rail he built to rivers? And I'm not saying he built in Imo State. What did he do? Look at Umahi from PDP to APC. What is it now? Minister of Works. Look at Wike.
Minister of
Federal Capital Territory. Minister.
but it's working.
He's working, pushing the Igbo's building down. He's working. He's trying. But that's not the Igbo's building in Abuja. He's working. He's trying. Setting rivers on fire. Want to burn rivers down. If it's not that God will raise, help me to call his name. Fabora waiting. The current governor of Fubara, Sim Fubara. If not that God raise him up, who is that person in rivers that can challenge Wike? But God will give person who match him and who is more than him. You understand? So all of them that are working evil in South, Southeast, all of them have compensation. As far as you work for government of Nigeria to destabilize any state in South, Southeast, you have compensation of a ministerial post. Immediately you come down from your governorship. or they help you to do what? To wangle you in as a senator. Then you continue where you stop as a governor to destroy your state. So Uzodinma, it's obvious that they may give him a ministerial post. Even if at all the ministerial post is not there, they will create him for him. At least they give him ministerial post of a Bubagon. Yes. They give ministerial post of a Bubagon. At least they will create it for him. No, he can federalize it. He can federalize it because of him. At least for 8 years, that the post will be there. After Zodima, they abolish it. So that he can get more money to buy bleaching cream and rob. To buy more bleaching cream and rob. Because immediately he leave this seat very soon, security fund will not be allocated to him again. All those small they will they collect. Not go him again. The paymaster Fulani government is giving it to him from backyard will not come again. By that time, the money to buy bleaching cream to rob may less down. So if they give him restaurant post, that money to rob bleaching cream will remain there. He's robbing bleaching cream, fine, until he become as white as Miriam.
And I'm on inspection to be sure that your shops are all open. Every Monday, every shop must be open. On Mondays, in the main market must be open. I came to see how it is going. We are bringing security to make sure that everybody has adequate security. In a match every Monday. Ndị kwesịrị ibi ịzụ afịa on Monday jebe ebe ọzọ. Obere oge na dị na-asọ nwa ozugbo ife anyị na-eme. Onye ka ị na-asala aka na nwa ife ị na-eme mana ọ gị mechiri ya na ọ gị kọsụrụ ya. This is unacceptable. I'll be here again every Monday. We'll be back here. Anytime, any shop that is not open will be sealed and will never be open again for that week. Even at the point, if you are not open, we'll seal you for 1 month. You won't open. Was it is ready to open? Was it ready to open? You open from Monday through to Saturday. All the shops, if you want to trade around here, all the shops must be open Monday to Saturday. So if you have a shop and you can't open it on Mondays, then keep it locked for the rest of the week. Are you with me? And we're going to enforce this. If it's a plaza, you lock it up on Monday, then you will not be able to open it for the week. Are you getting me?
That causing commotion rather. Do you think that is right or is safe for the people of Anambra to come out on that Monday? Do you think it is right?
No, Soludo is very wrong. He's wrong in the sense that Soludo should have allowed his wife, his daughters, his immediate family members that are trading at Onitsha, that are trading at Nkwonewi, Oka and other places or commercial cities in Anambra State to come out first and open their shops, ranging from his wife. Okay? Soludo is getting it wrong, trying to jeopardize the lives of the Anambra. Sit-at-home observation is being at least active across southeastern Nigeria every Monday, Tuesday, even if you ask me, Wednesday. A governor that actually tried what Soludo has come lately to do is Peter Mba of Enugu State. Peter Mba of Enugu State thinks that it's only when you have big head, they are going to call you headmaster, when your head is big. And it's only when you have a Akwobi, that is when you are full of muscle, a muscular man. The people will say, hey, look at this man, he has arrived. Odogu. Odogu is not by Akwobi or by muscle. But if you want to showcase yourself in Anambra State, during all these sit-at-home observation days, you should start from your immediate family, your wife, your daughters, your nephews, and so on and so forth. They should come and open their business first. If they could excel opening their business within 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, then other people should come out. And you, as a governor, should be a vigilator, an inspector. You should be in the commercial those plaza venue started talking and addressing them that there is security and peace. That is when people could actually, understand you, what you are doing. I don't know what to understand. So where I'm going is that there are governors that actually tried that in the past and they failed woefully. Hope Uzodinma, when they started this sit-at-home order, we know actually what transpired. When one Mohammed Gulag left northern state of Nigeria, traveled down to southeast to meet Hope Uzodinma, why didn't Hope tell that man that so thing is being observed in Imo states, across Igbo land? Everybody know actually what went on, how that man just, was demised by unknown persons. If a community of people, if a whole state, a whole race are setting aside one day for an observation of a particular event, just to say no to government, to say no to government policies, I think it should be kept, it should be maintained, it should be respected. The reason why Igbos are sitting at home Monday, Tuesday is because of what happened to nnamdikanu, a man that has virtually won all the crimes, cases, how many counts leveled against him, is still today dying in incarceration. He was put in jail by federal actors, key actors of this current administration, and then nnamdikanu is still there languishing. And the only way the Igbo youths, the Igbo supporters, the Biafrans, the Igbo race are saying no to how the policy of federal government of Fulani is by staying at home as a boycott every Monday and Tuesday. And now most of these southeastern governors are trying to fault it. You Soludo that is giving them order to come out that day and transact. Why not you yourself coming out, telling your wife to go to the plaza and open her shop? You have kinsmen, you have immediate family members who are trading as well. Now you are calling these people out to come. Why not go there and inspect, go to the venue where these plazas, are situated. Go there and address them. Keep your security, personnel on alert. I don't know what I understand. That is where you could effectively implement it. Not giving order and you go inside your house. Your wife inside the house, well protected and fortified by federal forces, and we are trying to subject the entire Igbo traders to this kind of perility. If you ask me, anybody that goes out that day is on his own. Oga life is something so special, so sacrosanct and sacred. You shouldn't toy with life, because life is one, very expensive and should be respected. If you ask me, if I'm in Igbo land, I don't even support anybody, my family members, going to market that day. I'm speaking from the perspective of my own opinion. I don't go out that day. I won't go. My brothers, my sisters shouldn't go. Let Charles Soludo, first of all, allow his wife to go and open her shop that day. But do you think someone that matters most to him, I mean his immediate family members, to fault sit-at-home order?
Or do you think if you provide security, do you think people should come out if you provide adequate security?
Thank you so much. Now you are talking. It should provide adequate security. That's a very good question. I love that. It should provide adequate security for Igbo traders across Anambra State. It is a welcome idea. So that nobody will take, sit at home as escorts to disrupt public peace that day. Yes, that's a good suggestion. I love that. What South Soludo should do right now is to secure the entire land of Anambra State that day. Nnewi, Nnewi, Oka, Mbuka, Obunike, Mbuka, Onitsha, Mbuka, Mpo, everywhere, Onitsha markets, everywhere in Anambra State, Aguleri axis, Okuzu axis, Achala, Oka, everywhere should be absolutely secured, at least by the governor. That is when we know that there will be peace and harmony comes next week, Monday and Tuesday. It's not by just issuing an order, prevailing on the traders to come out that day without giving them adequate security. It's very dangerous to falter or to violate sit-at-home order or observation in Anambra State. If you ask me, very dangerous.
But do you not think ekpa will counter this?
I don't know. I don't know. Ekpa I see is a man in Finland that is trying to at least agitate for self-determination, to make sure that Biafra emancipation is a sure thing. He's been doing it over and over again. He was doing it many years back, and we are here today, 2024. Ekpa is still being very, very resilient, persistently issuing sit-at-home order. I think is doing it to make sure that nnamdikanu is free, to make sure that referendum is given to Biafran people for peace to reign in Nigerian nation. I don't see what Ekpa is doing as a crime. American Congress, they are the lawmakers we have in the USA. They are discussing it since last week. Why nnamdikanu is supposed to be out? Why Simon Ekpa should be allowed doing what he knows how to do best? They don't violate anybody. They did not commit any treasonable felony. They have not committed crime. And I see what the US Congress are saying as writing. Nobody has destroyed anything. Nobody has actually violated anybody sitting at home. I think it's a way of protesting against government hard policy. Nobody has violated anything. And I'm seeing Nigerian state as a place where due process and lawful, policies that are very, very friendly to the people are not being carried out, but always hard policies, stringent government policies is going on in Nigerian state.
Do sample for that seat at home. But first of all, use his brothers and sisters and family. Maybe he's the one that's going to guide them on that side that sit at home on Monday. He should come out and guide them. And guide those people that he said he has to come out. He has to come out to open their shops. This enemy that we are talking about, the betrayers that we are talking about in this part of the country, they are the betrayers. They are the betrayers that we are talking about in that part of the country. Those governors, they are the betrayer. So let me tell you, whether current or son, what we are fighting for will stand. What nnamdikanu is fighting for, it will stand. What Samuel Ekpa is fighting, it's a fact. It's fact. I know many of them will not take it, will not go with it. They will not happy with it because they are okay with their families. They are eating under the government. They don't care what their people are passing through under Nigeria. They don't care. Whether Igbos are suffering in this country, they don't care. Because they are okay with Nigeria. Everything is free for them and their family.
Okay, good morning. Okay, we've seen Soludo come and say that anybody that doesn't open his shop on Mondays should know that should be ready to fulfill, forfeit his shop, in Anambra State. And I said, Ekpa, but must Ekpa be coming out to give sit at home? That people should come out on Mondays and do their business. Do you not think the life of the citizens of Anambra is at stake if they come out? That is, if the Biafran Liberation Army sees them, do you not think it's risky for them to come out on Monday when they sit at home?
Thank you very much, my brother. And let me appreciate our viewers for everybody. I pray for you. May God bless you. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are, and good evening. May God bless you and bless your hand job also, and bless your family. Show you the right track to succeed in life. Not like devilish way like Nigeria. In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. Soludo, as a governor of Anambra State, that's where I come from. He should use his sisters and his brothers to do example. That's sit at home on Monday. Every Monday. He should start from his brothers and his sisters. I mean, his family. He start from them. To do example. That's why I tell you that. I tell them that we have these enemies. I mean, these governors. They are now dancing our own tools. They are not dancing for the evils. They are not dancing for Fulanis. Because they want to get there. They want to, become like Fulanis. They are servant to Fulanis. I have said it several times. Does it mean that the cause that there's a Samuel Ekpan is fighting for? It's a wrong cause.